You don't know who that is? You don't know. He's not a winner. On your account. Is anybody else has oh, they do. All right. All right. More breaking news. I have breaking news. The bar is open. The bar is open, so they do have alcoholic beverages, adult beverages over here near the concession stand. If that's something you're interested in, please drink responsibly. But the bar is open. They do have drinks available there. So thank you for coming out today and enjoying your time. How are you, sir? How's it going? Yeah? You want to answer a trivia question? Are you a NASCAR fan? Yeah? You got any idea who drives? If I said the name Bill Elliott, race car from Indy 500. There is a polished aluminum 65 Chevy Cobra. I mean, I've seen it in magazines, I've seen it on TV, but I had never seen one in person. That is a fantastic car. There's a Ford GT40, like you saw in the movie Ford versus Ferrari. That's the most beautiful pearl paint job I've ever seen on a car. I'm not kidding, it's beautiful. And then right over here to my left, in front of me, is a Shelby Daytona with those integrated side pipes on the side. That car was actually built by Peter Brock. That is a fantastic, I mean, it's absolutely amazing. It's beautiful. I mean, pure race car. And then last but not least, a Ferrari from the movie Ferris Bueller's Day Off, the famous iconic scene from that movie. This is a replica of that Ferrari. Look at that. It's gorgeous. I mean, it's literally like a piece of jewelry. It's just so beautiful. And then, but last but not least, is the FIA Shelby Cobra, 1964 Shelby Cobra with some of the racing decals on it. Mr. Joe, did you say that, did you have a picture of Carol Shelby and Dan Gurney's best Shelby Cobra they had ever been associated with? Carol Shelby, one of these Napa racing hats. Napa racing hats. The first person that can tell me how many NASCAR championships does Jimmy Johnson have? Who said that? All right, he's a winner. 7. Mr. 7-time, right? I heard he might be coming back. I've heard some rumors. So Jimmy Johnson's went over, he's racing a little the Indy car. but I've heard some rumors that he might be coming back and doing some more NASCAR stuff. So, car number 77, come see me. I got a door prize for you. But thank you for coming.